In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Microsoft Excel with Microsoft Forms so you can collect responses directly into a spreadsheet. This is a great way to save time and manage data automatically. Let's get started. We begin by opening Excel Online. Start by going to the Microsoft Office Online portal where you can access Excel. Once the page loads, you will see the Excel application interface designed for cloud-based work. This online platform is perfect for opening spreadsheets quickly, especially when you need to collaborate with others or access your files from any device. After Excel Online loads in your browser, the next important step is to sign in to your account. Look for the Sign In option and click it. Signing in allows you to securely access your personal files and ensures that any changes you make are saved properly. The process is simple and helps you start working as quickly as possible. Once you are signed in, you will reach the Excel Home area. Here, you can view all your spreadsheets or create a new one, depending on your needs. The Home interface is user-friendly and makes it easy to find your files, whether they are stored in OneDrive or in your recent documents. Now, select the file you want to work on by clicking on its name or thumbnail. When the file opens, it will be fully loaded and ready for editing. This ensures you are working in the correct document where you want to connect your form. With your file open, go to the toolbar and click on the Insert option. This section gives you access to extra tools that can enhance your spreadsheet. After clicking Insert, a new set of options will appear. From the Insert menu, look for the option labeled Forms. Click on it to open the Microsoft Forms integration. This allows you to create a form that sends responses directly into your Excel sheet. After selecting Forms, you can start building your form inside the interface. You can add questions and customize the layout based on what information you want to collect. Any changes you make are updated in real time, making the process fast and efficient. By following these steps, you have successfully connected Excel to Microsoft Forms. From opening Excel Online and signing in to selecting your file and inserting a form, each step works together to create a smooth connection between the two tools. Now you're ready to collect data automatically and organize it easily in Excel. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.